Here we are, back in the kitchen. Got another hot banger for you, and this one involves hot Cheetos and cheese sticks. Stay tuned. This is the ingredients you're gonna be needing for this. You could either do hot lemon Cheetos or just regular hot Cheetos, cheese sticks, Ziploc baggie, something to smash the hot Cheetos, some eggs, flour, 2 containers, and also some oil. We're using canola oil, should be fine, and probably about 8-inch pan to fry it in. And also, you know I'm gonna need this guy.
Hey, it's me, the Mexican Thor, finally here to help out cook this little snack up.
Yeah.
Let's get to it.
Let's do this, bro. Yeah, so first things first is you're gonna get your eggs and crack them. So I would say you probably need about 5 eggs, Mesquito. So he'll be on the eggs for right now.
Yeah, make sure your hands are nice and clean and washed also when you crack the eggs, which mine are. So,
So
first you take the eggs, 2 eggs.
well,
Crack one here.
you're a professional cracking these, huh?
And usually you'll have a trash bag or a trash can somewhere, so just lay them out here.
Yeah, it's fine. We got junior shit to clean the kitchen after us.
You just click on another one.
Oh, that's fancy, dude. So, where'd you learn how to crack eggs, bro?
I learned to cook from my mom and my dad. I mean, who doesn't?
Yeah.
That's what I learned. From my mom and my dad.
Pretty fancy, bro. That's about 4 right there. One more done.
Here we go.
Pretty fancy. Now you just gotta mix these up.
Yep.
Real nice.
And
So once you get, we decided to go with 6 eggs on this one,
6 eggs.
just to be safe. And get your whisk here, and you just whip it up. What you're just trying to do is just make the eggs. That way you have the flour you're gonna be dipping. Eggs, flour, eggs, flour. And then fry them.
Sure you whisk up the eggs pretty good.
Yeah. Pretty nice, huh? Pretty fancy.
Check that out. Huh?
That's pretty good, bro.
Just wiggle it around to fill up the whole bowl. Here we go.
Yeah. Stay tuned. Yeah, so next, you get this other container you have on this side. And you want to fill it up with, I would say about 2 cups of flour. Just regular all-purpose flour. 1, 2. You don't need to add no seasoning or nothing to it because the hot Cheetos are going to give it its pop. You know what I mean? So, that should be about good right there. And now, let's go off to the hot Cheetos and smash those bad boys, huh?
And then you get yourself, regular size Ziploc bag.
Gallon Ziploc bag.
Yeah. Or if you're even making like more than just, a couple.
Even if you get a smaller Cheeto bag, you just smash the whole bag.
Yeah. So we're just going to pour some in here.
Wow.
Half the bag.
Well, halfway.
Leave the rest for the mini chefs.
Yeah.
Then then you just seal it up, leave it open a little, take the air out.
Yeah, that's the key right there, getting all the air out of there.
You can close it all up. Spread them out.
Here comes the fun part.
Then you smash it.
Yeah. Now make sure when you use the hammer, you don't get the spiky part on it. You're trying to use the flat part. That way you don't poke a hole in your bag.
Yeah. But if you have one that's just plain flat, you can use that one also.
Yeah. Very fancy. Now you're going to smash these till it kind of looks like powder, kind of. Yeah. We're looking for the roller, but we couldn't find it, so you can use any kind of hard circular object on it. Make sure you get it real nice and smooth and powdery. It is key to get it powdery. Huh? Esquito?
Yeah. It was a little difficult with this, but
Yeah.
I thought I could get something else. Makes it easier. See how that's coming out pretty nice?
Yeah. That is pretty good, though.
So remember to take all the air out before you do this, because you don't want it to pop and make a big mess.
Then you're going to have Cheeto powder everywhere.
And if this, those of you that like to make a mess when you cook, then you go ahead and leave the air in there.
You go ahead and do that. Yeah. So Mexican Thor's over there smashing the hot Cheetos. And let me show you how to prepare the oil. This is the tricky part, because you don't want to start a fire. I like to start it off low, like around, depending if you have a fire stove or electronic stove. Electric stoves are more safer. Open flame, kind of risque. So don't burn down your house. But I like to fill up the pan probably a little bit, like I would say a quarter's way up. So check this out. So this will warm up while we're preparing over there the stuff. I'll say about that much. You're just trying to get enough thickness as how thick what you're frying. So I'm frying cheese sticks, so I would say no more longer than 1.5 inches. So let's go back over here, help Mexican Thor finish crushing these Cheetos, and start making the stuff. Yeah, so Mexican Thor's about done smashing up these Cheetos. And now what we're going to do is we're going to open up the bag and pour them inside this side. We decided to go, that's how you should set it up. It's easier. You're going to go first egg, dip it in the egg, powder, crushed Cheetos. Yeah. So this is how you're going to do it. You're going to do egg, flour, crushed Cheetos, finished product. But you want to dip them, I would say at least twice. So you're going to go egg, flour, crushed Cheeto, egg, flour, crushed Cheeto. The more you do it that way, the more crunchier they'll be. So let's see how Mexican Thor's doing with these hot Cheetos.
Yeah, see, they're already crushed. Got them all crushed the way it's supposed to look.
Yeah, real powdery.
And make sure that this part where you put the Cheetos in is at the bottom. Because if you open it from this way, all this edge part right here, when you open it and try to dump it into the container, it'll just make a big old mess. So what you want to do is just take a knife, which we already did, or scissors, which we used, and just cut along here. So if you're doing it with kids, make sure you just use the scissors. It's safer.
Yeah.
And then what you do now is just put it on.
You know, looks real powdery. Still got a little bit of crunchy parts. That's good, because that's all going to be like crust to your cheese.
Because see, if you have all this little crust here, you can do this with the bag, and you can get everything out. If you try to do it like that from the other side, trust me.
Yeah. So I'll start unwrapping these string cheese and we'll start whipping these bad boys up. Yeah, so here we are. Got the cheese sticks ready. I'll just peel them and start dipping these bad boys, huh? So Pretty simple, pretty easy. They're just regular cheese sticks. Nothing special. Pull them apart. Let's leave them right here. I like to stay clean. I know we're set up for more than 5, but for right now, this is what we're doing for you guys. We plan on making the rest off camera, so maybe we'll take some pictures and put them at the end of the video, show you the finished products, the more than know we're actually cooking.
You can also do this with your kids.
Yeah.
Or if you want.
Kids like to cook. They feel all excited when they're in the kitchen.
Yeah. Or if you want and you don't want a big mess, then go ahead and you can do them yourself.
Yeah. Well, I know my kids, they like to feel like they're actually doing something. So there we go. And you get this, and you just roll it around in the egg. See how you just roll it? Make sure you get enough egg around there. Dip it in the flour. More egg. More flour. Trying to get it so it's like that. So it looks. And then roll it around. See how it's starting to stick? The more you do it though, the more they start to stick. See that? That's pretty good. So we did that one about twice. That's about how you want it. And just lay them out and repeat. Egg first. Flour. Cheeto. Beat it. More flour. More Cheeto. Like I said, the more powdery, the more better. Because it'll stick better. Let's see how that's sticking. Pretty good. It's gonna be pretty good. They're coming out better than I thought they were. Yeah, so right now we got 4. We're gonna do the last one right now. That's what they should look like, the finished product. And there's the last one. We'll do this one roll. Like I said, flour. Shake this a little bit so they're pretty mixed. They're coming out pretty nice. And that's the finished product.
Check it out, guys.
And we'll go over to the stove and fry these bad boys.
Yeah.
So,
comment what you guys think of how they look.
yeah, they're coming out pretty nice. Yeah, so here we go. About to finish this up. And if you're new to my channel, remember, subscribe, comment down below, smash that like button, and let me know what else you want to see me cook up for you guys. So here we go. There's the finished products. Cheese sticks. Now this is very hot, so be careful when you dump these in. Yeah, it's gonna cook real quick. So you wanna watch it. Make sure you don't burn it. Look how quick that cooked. Bam! Maybe a little bit longer. What you don't want is the cheese to start melting out. But yeah, there we go. That's what it's supposed to look like. And I like to get a paper towel, set that off to the side. You can cook them longer, but I don't want to burn them. So maybe cook 2 at a time. kind of gives it a, see how it turns it like a light pink? Not as red as it when it goes in. Pretty good though.
Smells delicious.
Yeah. Smells like hot Cheetos. Pretty good. Put that on. The longer you cook them, like I said, the crunchier they'll be, the more cheese will melt. But you gotta be careful with that cheese. You do not want it to leak out, especially when you're frying. So you don't want to see how it's starting to leak out. That's perfect right there. This one's not leaking out too bad.
It looks so beautiful.
Yeah. Oh. Been wanting to do another video.
Another one. Another
There
one.
it is.
Another one.
I think the next one, I got a request. Chimichangas. Comment down below. Let me know if you want to see some chimichangas done. I know one of our good, loyal fans has been following us for a while. He asked for a recipe for chimichangas. So. Like I said, once it starts leaking out, that's a good tell sign that that's pretty much it.
Yeah, pretty much after the chef here does the cooking to make the chimichangas, I might jump in and do a little something that I know how to cook. And maybe chef will pick it up and maybe try to make it for his kids one time.
Yeah.
We're always trying to figure out, see what stuff the others can cook. That way we can learn from each other. Even though we already learned from other people to cook, but you know, sometimes you might want to add some stuff to it.
Yeah. I love to learn how to make new stuff. It's just kind of like a challenge to me. But yeah, as you can see, came out pretty delicious. Now there's only one thing to do. Huh? Call the chefs in here and have them try it out.
Taste test.
There we go.
Ooh, smells nice.
Ooh, our
Yeah.
first tester, bro.
Check it out.
Queen Chef.
Huh? They're already smelling the good stuff. So, Queen Chef, these are my famous hot Cheeto cheese sticks. Look delicious. Go ahead and get you a bite of that. Tell me what you think.
Hot.
Yeah. Pretty hot. Look how cheesy that is. That's pretty good. What do you think? 1 to 10.
Can't really taste the hot Cheetos at all.
Yeah, that's why I told Mexican Thor. When you fry it, it kind of kills the hotness from the hot Cheetos. But it's still there. The Cheeto taste is still there. It's just not as hot as you're expecting it to be. But it's definitely good for the kids. The kids love hot Cheetos. So,
I'll give it a 9.
yeah, pretty good. Huh? Huh? Let's call the next one in here.
That smells good.
Ooh. It's Mini Chef.
Huh? Check it out. They're smelling this stuff. This stuff's like hotcakes, bro. Check it out.
Whoa.
It's a Cheeto. It's a Cheeto cheese stick.
Okay.
Test it out, bro. Tell me what you think.
Careful, it's hot.
1 hour later.
Good? 1 out of 10. What do you give it?
Probably about 10.
You gave it a 10?
First 10.
Huh? That's 2 for 2, bro. Delicious.
Why you even break them?
Come here. I like cheese. I'm not gonna lie. The Cheeto taste, the frying, I think, overpowers the Cheeto. So it kind of tastes like a cheese taco, like a rolled cheese taco. But yeah, There's one more guy. Junior Chef's already asleep because it's already midnight. Because it's a midnight snack, huh? But, Mexicator, try this out, bro. Extra cheesy.
Very cheesy. You know I like cheese too. It's yeah, it's not spicy. Can't even taste the spice.
Ah, look how cheesy that is. That's perfect frying right there. Huh?
It's good. Real good. I like the crunchiness of it.
So
The
good
taste.
midnight snack, huh?
Yeah. I'd give it a 10.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's pretty good.
Yeah.
Yeah. No cheese in it, but still it's
The crust of the
the
Cheeto.
crust of the Cheeto with the egg and flour. Still delicious though.
It has a little spice to it, but not too much. I think it's hotter when you just eat the hot Cheetos.
Well, this one doesn't really have spice. Well, I don't taste the spice. But it's good. I give it a 10. Whoa. Check it out. Mini Chef
Yeah.
came for more.
Look who's back.
So it is good for
Well,
the kids.
they got round 2.
Whoa.
I know, right?
Dude, these are good.
Yeah. It's delicious. And the kids will love them.
Look at woke up, bro.
Huh?
I think he's sleepwalking.
It's even waking up people out of their own sleep, bro.
Oh, bro.
Check it out, check it out.
We don't even
Wait,
know
wait,
what's
wait.
going, bro.
Come on.
Look at that, bro.
Whoa. Huh?
That'll really wake up a kid on a late night snack.
Junior Chef? 9 out of 10. What do you give these?
10.
There you go. What can I say? Another hot banger. Another hot recipe. Make sure you comment down below. Let me know if you try this. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns and how you make these, let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. And of course, you know it's me. This is my cooking channel. And you're cooking with the chef. Peace.